He was wanting to do a HELOC on his house. House value's $211,000. So the land value was 53% more. The mortgage company won't do a HELOC because the land's worth more than the home is.
Yeah.
Anybody out there that understands that, why don't you let us know, give us a little bit of information. Nick's looking at, is there an avenue for them to be able to pull some equity out of this house or not? You might not be able to do a HELOC, you might do a cash out refi on it.
Yeah, but
And-
he's
and
got a
they'll take
2.6.
You can't do a cash out refi if you got a 2-point interest rate.
Right.
So that's where there's a lot of people out there right now that are at 2 and 3% interest on their houses, got tremendous amounts of equity in their houses. But the equity in their house, if they try and pull it out, they got to do a refi. Now, you can't just do a second mortgage. Now, you can go to the bank and say that he just wants to do a second mortgage on a house, and it would be a second mortgage for 30 years or whatever. I've never done that. That's what I would think. And somebody watching this video will correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah.
They are chomping at the keyboard right now typing. It might be an adjustable rate, I don't know.
Okay.
You just got to talk to the bank. That's the negotiation in the bank. So